Only on the video so that you can learn the strokes. My power pad is right over her spine. A figure 8, each hand doing an opposite thing. I see these other guys and they're like, you know, but look what happens. It's all tension in here when I do that. See how neat that is? Actually become a double arm hug. All of the stuff is heading towards where you are pulling the energy from. While we're opening up and melting all the little tense spots in here.
After the silence of your mind, things of this world